I'm going to show you how I put cabinets up. This is not going to work for my backsplash. So I don't want to be taking it out when cabinets are in. So I'm going to take it out now. Gross. 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 There you go. There's going to be the top of my cabinet. For this, I'm using a line laser. If you don't have a line laser, you can pop a chalk line. If you don't have a chalk line, they're like $5. Go buy one. Quit being lazy. So, it's gonna fit, but I'm gonna need shims. So, I gotta go to the store. Also, whenever I get back, I'm gonna pull these out. Now that I know they fit, I am going to hang my top so that way I don't have bottoms in the way. Pretty self-explanatory. If you don't have a laser, gross. 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 There we go. Got the trailer unhooked. Time to go get some shims before the store closes. There's another project I got going on. Oh, I'm ready to keep rolling with that thing, waiting on concrete. This will make your life so much better. That, and I already know exactly where my studs are at. I almost forgot. You set these 18 inches above the top. Problem is, your countertop's gonna be about 2 inches, right? So 20 inches off unfinished. Or in my circumstance, 55 inches off the floor. Now we got it just tacked up there loosely. Now what we want to do, oh no, not deep enough. Well, I'm out of screws to tie these suckers together. You see that little hole right there? And right there? And so you can sink them to each other and make them nice and flush, right? Well, store's closed, I'm out of screws. So you get the gist of it. Tomorrow I can just do a big old time lapse. Screwing these suckers together, getting them mounted on the walls. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna shim all this out. I'll do a time lapse where I cut all that in. And yeah, that'll be it on the cabinets. Now that I turned the power off, I could really get some things going here. Lazy Susans suck, especially when they're frameless. So here you got to build the frame, and they're not very sturdy, so you got to stiffen them up a little bit. A lot of people probably skip that. Just do it.
What?
Thanks, Mom. Too easy. Level them all up as you go, tie them together, screw them off to the wall. You're off to the races. Shim them up where they need to be. I'm on my last one right here, and that on the wall is a ledger board. I'm going to do a little bar top right there in the corner. But you came for cabinets, and that's not cabinets, so thank you for watching my cabinet install. This house was pretty rough, so I'm going to be doing weekly videos. Hopefully you like this one. Come back next week.